All right, guys, welcome to, I believe we are on part 4 on the project YFZ450R, this other project YFZ450R. Got my buddy Manny giving me a hand today because, as you can see, I am one hand down. We'll tell you guys about that a little later, but today we're going to work on getting this engine in. We did finish the engine. I did not film the head. I just did that alone quickly. So the plan for today is get the engine and the quad. Hopefully we can get it running, we'll see. And then we got a couple other little things to do, like I said in the previous videos. We might film those separately, we might not, because I'm obviously injured, but the goal is to get the engine in. Fingers crossed we can get this girl fired up, and we will show you that in real time, getting her started up. But the install of the engine is just going to be time-lapse to keep this quick, so let's get to work. All right guys, so we got everything together. Unfortunately the battery's kind of dead, so we're just jumping it with my quad. I'm gonna have to start that quad to get this to fire. once we get it going, hopefully then we can just disconnect it. But I do have a battery coming for this, so just before we fire this girl up, huge thank you and shout out to my buddy Manny. He went to go grab a beer. Without him today, this wouldn't have happened, so appreciate you, buddy, helping me out. I'm one-handed right now, so let's give this thing a try. I'm gonna start my quad up first, guys. Actually, we'll try it without it and see if she'll fire. Give it a little guess. Hold it. Hold it, hold it. Just a little bit of gas.
Dead? Try it again.
Alright guys, let me go out here and talk to you guys because it's loud in there. So we're gonna let her idle for a little bit, probably like 10 minutes for a heat cycle. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll shut her down, let her cool off. We'll probably do that 2 or 3 times. She's running, which is good. So, all right guys, that's a wrap. Huge thank you to Manny, like I said before. We're gonna let this girl cool down again. We did a few heat cycles. We checked the oil, we burped the coolant. What we did was we put my battery in her from my quad, and she fires right up. So drop in the comments, let me know what you think about this build. We're gonna do, I don't know if we're gonna do a separate video on the stem bearing. We might just wait till the next time, but that'll probably be a wrap for this quad, only because I'm kind of crippled right now, so we probably won't do the videos on those. So this will be the final part of this, you know, final video for this series. But as always guys, thanks for watching. I can't even give you guys a thumbs up with my hand because it's in a cast, but give me a thumbs up on this video. That helps a ton. Like I said, drop some comments, and if you're not yet, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. All right, say peace, Manny. Peace out.
Peace out.
Later guys.